Welcome back to PowMr channel. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Pstar Series after connecting a lithium battery. Before adjusting the battery parameters, ensure PV input is not connected and the battery is not charging. Next, go to the battery type selection screen and choose the correct lithium battery type. If your battery matches the one of these options, simply select it, and charging parameters will be set automatically. If you want to set battery parameters by yourself, you can select the USC option to manually set parameters. Next, set the system voltage. Available options include 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, or 48 volt. Then configure the following four charging parameters in order: boost charging voltage, float charging voltage, low DC cutoff recovery voltage, and low DC cutoff voltage. Make sure to set each voltage value strictly according to your battery's user manual to avoid any damage or safety risks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.